So guys, let's have a spelling test. I'm gonna tell you two words and I want you to tell me about their spelling. The first word is choose. Now what's the correct spelling? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Second word now. Lose. Again, what's the correct spelling? Got it? Okay, well, the correct answer was number 2 in both cases. If you got that wrong, please keep watching. Hello guys, my name is Fanny and in this video we're going to focus on 2 verbs, choose and lose. Now let's have a look at a few sentences. First, I made my choice. I choose spaghetti. Now the verb choose, as you know, means making a choice, and the spelling is with double O. Okay, there are 2 O's in the verb choose present tense. I chose pasta yesterday. Now the difference is now it's past tense, and the verb in its past form only has 1 O and is pronounced chose. Okay, so choose, present tense, chose, past tense. But then if we take the second sentence and we say, I try not to, and I suppose you're going to tell me lose because there's only 1 O. Well, no guys, I'm sorry, English pronunciation is really hard, but the sound is the same as choose, okay? I try not to lose anything when I travel. So there's only 1 O, but it's pronounced lose. But I lost my wallet when I went to Egypt. This is the past form of lose, lost. Okay? So try and remember choose, chose. So 2 O's, 1 O. And lose, lost, with only 1 O. Okay? I hope this is clear. Let's now go back to our spelling test. Okay guys, I know you're gonna do better this time. So my first verb is choose. What's the correct spelling? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? It's number 1, of course. And the second verb is lose. What's the correct spelling? Yes, good, it's number 3. I'm sure you had the right answers. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope it has helped you and see you in the next videos. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please show us your support. Click like, subscribe to the channel, put your comments below and share with your friends. See you!